Bismillah. So today I'm going to tell you about how to use GitHub group project. So here I have two accounts in GitHub, my main and my secondary. What I did is creating a new project, empty project. As you can see here, it's an empty project. Then I upload it to the GitHub. So what you will do, you will get the link for the project, copy it, paste it, and as you can see here, there's a fork up on the right. You clicked on fork. What fork will do, it will create a copy of the project or a new branch in your account. As you can see here, it's now in your account, and you can see here it's forked from my account. So what you will do, you will back to Android Studio, click on file, new project from version control, and come here to GitHub. You already should be logged in Android Studio. If you are not, just click login via with token. This will show you the instruction to do that. So since I have two accounts here, it will show me the two accounts. I want this account, so I will look for the app. I will see it here, task timer app. It will clone it to my computer. Okay, since I have already this file in my with my old or my main account, I will just change it to 2 and click clone. It will download it and open it. Click trust. And just wait a little for it to be downloaded and open. So here it's already done. And you can see it here. There it is. Let's say you finish your changes. Let's say your changes was adding a new class. We'll call it database. Now how to upload your updates. You will come here to Git and click on commit, and just add any information like added new database class. Click commit. It will save the changes and just push it to GitHub. Click push. Yes, with this, no, with this account, sorry. Okay. Now if you came here to your account, you click reload, you will see here this branch is one commit ahead of the master. Now how to merge it with the main, you will click here contribute and click open pull request, and here you can see the changes that you did, and you click create pull request. Just give me an information for what the changes you did, and click create pull request. Now for me, in my account, I'll just reload the page. As I can see here, there's a pull request, a new pull request. I will go to pull request, and I will see the new pull from you. So I will click on it. I can just merge it directly or go to file changed to see the changes. Let's say okay, I'm okay with these changes. So I will just click merge request, confirm merge. Now it's merged with the master. As you can see here also in your account it said merged. Okay, let's say uh, for me, so this is the main how I can download the update in my Android. So I will go to Git and I will click update project. I'll click OK. Override. As I can see here, the updates, I get the updates. Let's say this was my main account. I will add another class. Let's call it data class as a data class. Okay, add. Let's add file. Okay, right, integer. So I will do the same. Commit the changes. I will just add it data class and then commit. After finish, I will just click push and push it to my account. This is my main account here. So if I back to my account, my codes, I will see there's a changes 21 seconds ago. This is my changes. So if you came here, click refresh, back to my code, you will see that the update's already there. Or sorry, I think you should. Oh yeah, is. It said there's this branch is to commit behind master, behind my main account. So what I will do is fetch upstream and click fetch and merge this with your account. Now it's updated. As you can see, this branch is up to date, and you will back to your Android Studio, and you'll just click the same as update project. Okay, and here it is, the data class. So this is how you can work as a team in GitHub. I hope this was useful. Thank you.